Hey friends, today I'm really glad to introduce my new project. It's a new 3 BHK residential project which we have completed in Panvel. This flat belongs to Mr. Kishore Karawle. He is one of the prestigious client. The theme of living room we have decided in rose gold finishes, bamboo veneer, Satvario Italian marble, and the same type of Italian marble which is matching to Satvario marble we have given for dining table and center table. Now let's talk about the veneer. Veneer is bamboo finish. It's one of the beautiful shade in veneer that we have decided for this living room. It is exactly going with the Satvario finish Italian marble. If fall ceiling is having certain wooden things, if you have wooden ceiling which is properly settled with a long 4-foot chandelier, dining table and center table is exactly suitable to the theme because top of dining table and center table are in Italian marble and the base is rose gold metal. It's a manufactured in factory. These are branded dining table and center table, but it is exactly suitable to the theme of living room. One of the wall we have given for dining table is settled in mural. It's a metal mural which is also having the gold leafing. It is exactly giving a different impact while you sit there and you have dine on this beautiful dining table. The rectangular kitchen has 2 platforms. One is big counter and another is dry counter. The storage of kitchen we have used high gloss acrylic shutter with a digital glass theme. Digital glass are really unique for overhead shutters. The base platform, the base unit storage of kitchen, we have used Hafele Legra fittings, which is really exclusive. You just touch it, it will open it directly, and you just push, it will go directly. So all smooth mechanism we have achieved in kitchen. This kitchen is gift for the lady who they are going to utilize this kitchen. Master bedroom of this residence is unique. We have detailed out in veneer, wooden finish floor. The best part, we have achieved onyx ceiling for fall ceiling pattern, which is exactly suitable to the room tone. This room has one jumbo size bed, 2 side table, 1 wardrobe, and the TV unit.
मेरा नाम किशोर करवले है। हम लोगों ने ये प्रॉपर्टी 2018 में परचेज़ किया था। ये हमारा ड्रीम होम है और हम लोग उसके हिसाब से इसको डिज़ाइन करना चाहते थे। तो मेरे फ्रेंड है महेंद्र घरत जी, उन्होंने रिकमेंड किया, राजवीर शर्मा जी की कंपनी डेलीकॉन डिज़ाइन कंपनी करके है और वो अच्छा काम करती है सिंसियरिटी से। तो देन हम लोग उनके पास गए हैं वाशी में, उनसे मिले। पहले मीटिंग में ही हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा उनसे बात करके, क्योंकि उन्होंने पूरे डिटेलिंग में हमें समझाया कि ऐसे ऐसे आगे बढ़ना है तो हम लोग इसको ऐसे इंटीरियर कर सकते हैं। उन्होंने हमें उसी दौरान ये काम कब ख़त्म होगा वो भी पूरा डिटेल बताया था। पर ड्यू टू कोविड पैंडेमिक ये थोड़ा काम हमारा थोड़ा डिले हो गया। तभी भी कोविड पैंडेमिक में राजवीर जी ने कभी हार नहीं मानी, ये काम हमेशा फॉलोअप लेते हुए उन्होंने 100% डेडिकेशन से ये पूरा कर दिया। ये लास्ट मोमेंट में आपको ये बात बोल सकते हैं कि 100% हमारी जो इच्छाएं थी, हमारे जो ड्रीम थे और उसके ऊपर राजवीर जी 100% खरे उतरे हैं।